In this video, we are going to change a course section from face-to-face to web with both synchronous and asynchronous components. If a course will only be offered online for spring 2021, we're going to edit the existing section instead of submitting a new EX section. To get started, we will click the Reset to Planning button. We will receive a confirmation that it has been returned to planning, and this will allow us to make the necessary updates. First, we will edit the delivery modes. We're going to create a new delivery mode and choose Web and click Save. We then need to delete the face-to-face delivery mode because each section should have only one delivery mode. We can also use delivery tools, and in this case, I'm going to choose Zoom. In this example, the instructor would like the students to participate synchronously on Mondays and asynchronously for additional work online. So we will need to have two time location lines for this section. I will click time and location, edit the existing line, and I'm going to remove Wednesday from the meeting pattern. I will then change classroom scheduling manages initial room assignment to no, yes for is off-site, no for is a learning center, and add World Wide Web in the city field, then save. I'm then going to add a new time and location line to indicate the asynchronous work. I will check the box next to time and day as arranged, choose no for classroom scheduling manages initial room assignment, yes for off-site, no for is a learning center, add World Wide Web, and delete the country field and click Save. When we return to summary, we now see our web delivery modes, Zoom delivery tool, and our two time and location lines. We would also recommend adding a note in the registration information area for students to know how the course will function. So we can add a note and click Save. At this point, the section has everything updated, and we can go ahead and click Submit to Workflow, which will route the section to the Office of the Registrar for review and approval.